Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel, we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix this page isn't available right now on Facebook. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. Encountering this error on Facebook can happen for various reasons, and it is often related to issues with the page's content, privacy settings, or technical problems. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. So first, refresh the page. Sometimes a simple page refresh can fix the issue. Press the refresh button in your browser or use the keyboard shortcut F5 or Ctrl plus R. Check the URL. Make sure you've entered the correct URL for the page you're trying to access. Typos in the URL can lead to this error. Clear browser cache and cookies. Cached data and cookies can sometimes cause display issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try accessing the page again. Try a different browser. If you are encountering the issue on one browser, try using a different browser to see if the problem persists. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to page loading problems. Log out and log in again. Log out of your Facebook account and then log back in. This can sometimes refresh your session and resolve minor issues. Check page privacy settings. If the page has privacy settings enabled, you might not be able to access it if you are not authorized. Make sure the page's privacy settings allow public access if that's what you are expecting. Page or content removed. The page or content you're trying to access might have been removed or is no longer available. Double check if the page or content still exists. Temporarily disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily to see if it is causing the issue. Sometimes, these tools can lead to access problems. Try later. It is possible that the issue is temporary and might be resolved on its own. Try accessing the page at a later time. Contact support. If you believe the issue is not on your end and the page is not loading due to technical problems, you can reach out to Facebook support for assistance. Check for outages. Sometimes, Facebook might experience outages or server issues. You can check social media platforms or websites that report online service outages to see if others are experiencing similar issues. If the problem persists and you are unable to access the page, it might be related to factors beyond your control. Always ensure you are using official and secure links when interacting with Facebook or any other online platform. And that's it for this video. So if you follow all of these steps, you should be able to fix this page isn't available right now on Facebook. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!